You can expect a lot from the 2020 Honda HR-V. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a tachometer, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Honda also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Stop in and take a test drive.